Gather around, ladies and gents. Let me share with you a snack to help your child gain weight. Now, to make this mouth-watering snack, you will need some malai or cream. You can boil full cream buffalo milk, and for few days you can collect this malai from the milk. Put it in a pan and heat it up until the golden goodness of clarified butter separating from it. Now we all know that butter makes everything better. So pour the liquid gold into a container and keep it aside. Next up, roast some semolina or suji in the same pan until it turns beautiful shade of brown. Then add some sugar to it and mix it like you mean it. Now take that leftover malai cream and mix it with the suji until it is all cozy and comfortable. Finally, add some milk, not water, unless you want your kid to hate you forever. And sprinkle in some dry fruits or dry fruit powder for some extra calories and extra taste. Now put a lid on that pan and let it cook until it's ready to be cut into pieces. And wow, you have a yummy, healthy and high calories snack that will make your child gain weight faster. And who knows, they might even start lifting weight and enter the world's strongest toddler competition. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you soon.